How to get unlimited cloud storage trial on Google Drive. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to get a free trial for your unlimited cloud storage on Google Drive. First thing first, you can go ahead and open up Google Drive application. Once you're here, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now just go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now, Google gives you a free 15 GB storage on each account you have. So I've got this account which is 69% occupied. So just tap on the storage icon at the very bottom where you say a certain person used 15 GB. And you can easily get to the storage section here. And as you can see, you can get 100 GB of storage for only 50 cents per month. So what you can do is get the discount, and you can also get a free trial for you can get for this for 3 months, and you can use it across all of your Google Photos, Drive, and Gmail. If you want to view more plans, you can just tap on see more plans, and Google provides you with various different plans. First one is basic 100 GB, standard 200 GB, and the premium is 2 terabytes of storage. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and select the first one and then tap on get discount. Now you're going to have to select a payment method, and then all you have to do is just tap on subscribe and you'll be good to go. So that is basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.